guys, and welcome back on my channel. In this video we are going to talk about how I grew on YouTube with over 300,000 views with the help of Tubebuddy. So in this video we are going to dive into my analytics, and I will better explain how Tubebuddy helped me grow on YouTube. So I will dive deeply in my analytics, explaining the different holes of Tubebuddy and how it helped me grow on YouTube. So Tubebuddy has different functionalities, and the key functionality I'm using to help grow my channel is a keyword explorer. So on the Tubebuddy extension we have the dashboard, the visualize stream, the playlist, the comments, the analytics, and the extension tools are keyword explorer, SEO studio, video topic planner, tag list, best time to publish, and a click. As I was explaining, the extension functionality I'm using the most is keyword explorer. So in this video I will go into how I use the keyword explorer to find the right title for my video. So keep watching, and don't forget to subscribe and go into the link in the description and click on it. So the first thing to do when you want to download Tubebuddy is to go on Google, you type Tubebuddy extension for Chrome. So I type Tubebuddy extension for Chrome and I click on the first link that will be presented to me. So when I click on it, you will see a page that will show up, and you will click on install Tubebuddy. Explain, Tubebuddy is an extension and can be found on Chrome. So you can download the extension on Chrome. You can go to that extension using my link in the description, and you will have some special bonus. So Tubebuddy is an extension of Chrome, and with my computer we use it to better explain with my analytics how before the number of views I was having on my channel and what I'm actually having now. So after installing, you will have to link it to your Google account by signing in on Tubebuddy, and you have a redirection directly to your account, and you have to accept that Tubebuddy can take control and help you manage your channel. So after doing it, we have a free use that really helps in managing your. So I really hope you appreciate this video, and don't forget to subscribe and go to the link in the description to have a free access to the Tubebuddy tool and be able to manage your channel and also grow on YouTube.